Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2023 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. This vehicle does have the onyx black exterior color. And then this is what the interior color looks like. It also has the Ultimate badging on the seating. Also up here you have your universal home remote, your sunroof buttons, and your power sliding rear window. And then right here you have your rear camera mirror, which you can turn on or off. The sunroof looks like that, and then up here the headliner is suede. Also down here you do have the Google Assistant, Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You do also have surround vision, so you can see around the whole Sierra right here. Over here you have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, front and rear park assist, auto stop start, which you can turn all of those on or off. You have your tailgate opener, your hazards, your traction control, your hill assist, and then this opens all four windows at once. Over here you have your shifter, and then your trailer brake controller, and then your wireless charging is right down here. Over here you do have your forward collision alert, your cruise control buttons. This does have adaptive cruise control and the super cruise. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle does have the Bose sound system. Memory seats and mirrors are right here. It does have passive entry on the front doors. What that is if you have your key fob with you, you can lock and unlock the vehicle by pressing that button down right on the door handle. It does have the power folding running boards. This vehicle does have the 6.2 liter V8. That is what the wheels look like. This truck does have the MultiPro tailgate. So the MultiPro tailgate, the top button, if you touch that, it will drop down here. And then you just pull this down, and then that will add a step to get into the truck easier. If we take a look in the back seat. This is what the back seat looks like. You do have some storage space in the back of the seats, and then your cup holders are in here. Over here you do have your heated second row seating. Down here you have your floor mats, and then your front license plate bracket. If you take a look back in the front, if you press this button here, that will put the massaging seats on, I believe. So when you move this button this way, this is your lumbar control. This will be for your massaging seats, and that will move to where you want it to be. I'll show you right here. It will show up here. So you can do upper shoulder, you can do roll, knead, wave, relief, and you can also just go down to massage and upper shoulder also. If you have any other questions on the Sierra, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.